Life be like, you're having a bad day, why not let me add to how bad your day is. Anyway, hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm trying out some makeup hack that I recently came across. I'm so sorry, I have to do prepping in front of you. But who else could I be doing the prepping in front of it? Not you, you know? Oh girls, are we not? Are we not? Okay, anyway, let's get this shit started. This is my setting spray. Don't about it. I don't know why it's just peeling off and coming out. But it's a Yardley 3-in-1 setting spray. It's a 3-in-1 because it sets, it mattifies, it's doing everything. It primes, it sets, it refreshes. Jesus Christ. So yeah, I don't even know why I'm applying so much of this because I don't even need a lot of it like that. The thing that I'm applying is just something that gets done here only. So I saw some lady using her. So I have two concealers. One is literally for concealing purposes, the other one is a highlight. So I'm not going to be trying with a highlight, I'm going to be trying with this one. So what the woman did was, that's what she did. Be patient with me, okay? We're getting there. This is what she did. Let me just get close so we can both see what I'm doing here. Okay. Okay. So you just apply this as you normally would, but not like normally would. I don't know. Maybe I'm better at taking instructions, but this is what I think she was doing. Y'all bear with me. If I'm doing it wrong, you tell me. Okay. I don't have a problem with being corrected. Okay, so I used the Pro Concealer, the illegal Pro Concealer. I don't know what shade is this. Oh, it's a chestnut. Yes, because you know that is my skin tone. So I don't know. Probably for somebody's perspective, they might feel. Oh, and then for my powder, I use my setting powder. I use the LA Pro Girl. LA Girl Pro Concealer. Cracking myself up. Okay, so anyway, just gonna need to put this here. That's what I normally do, but that's apparently what I'm supposed to be doing. And then we're coming in with this hand. We're gonna dab this. Then I'm gonna get rid of it for the most part. That's what they were doing. Oops, let me just do that here. I didn't notice I wasn't being clear on the camera. Okay, so you're just gonna minimize how much you have on you. And then I don't think I took enough. Jesus Christ. Okay, then come in with it. Did I even allow it to set a little bit? How long has it been? Let me tell you a story then while we wait. Alright, like, because it needs to at least set in a little bit. I'm kidding. The idea of using a certain powder while it's here is so that it can set it in between. So I saw a couple of people in comments saying this is just literally a makeup hack that has always existed. It's how they've always been doing this. I was like, what? She says, yes, I'm from the past and I know this. I mean, she didn't say she was ancient. She just said she's from the past, guys. She said she's from the past, alright? So, oh wow. I don't know, guys. There's something different about it. Can you see it? Because it's how it sets. It just... I don't know if you... Can you see what I'm saying? It sits so well. Like it doesn't... Oh my god. Guys, you need to give this a try. Honestly, I'm just... Okay, let's do this, right? Let me do the other side without the powdering and whatever, but powder at the end. Let's see the difference, right? Okay. I'm gonna use the other side. This is the powder I was using. So I'm gonna use this side. Yes, they are due for washing, don't judge me. So this side, I'm not using any powder. It's just itself. Oh my goodness, I can see the difference. I hope you guys can see it too. Because it's so good. I just did here because, but the lady whose video I saw, she said, you have to try it. You just have to do this everywhere. I'm gonna try and zoom myself in so you guys can see what I can see. So this is just it without, why you may not be able to see? It's the light. But I think after I do this, you may be able to see. So I was just putting some powder here so that I can go in with the powder now. I'm not a makeup artist, guys. I'm somebody who's learning. And yes, when we see hacks, we try them out. If you're gonna tell me it's a hack, then we need to find out if it can hack us out of into the light rather. But guys, I can really see the difference. You know what's the difference between the two though? This one is giving it a skin-like finish from my point of view. This one is giving it a skin-like finish, and I just hate that you guys won't be able to see. I'm gonna try and use natural light. Just give me a second. I'm gonna try and use natural light to show you, because right now I'm using my ring light and it's really the reason why we can't see much. Okay, I tried to get as close as I possibly can, but you can see that this one, it looks it took the coloring of I'm looking at myself in the mirror, don't mind my eyes. Looking at myself in the mirror. So yes, this one is lighter. This is where the powder is on top. This is where I mixed it with the powder. I don't know if you guys can see a difference. Please tell me if you can see a difference. If you can see a difference, we're making another one until you can see it. And actually, I don't even have to make another one. You can actually what do you call? Try it out. Tell me how it works out for you, right? Thanks for watching, guys. I think I'm gonna wear the rest of my makeup off camera and then go on with my day. But I just wanted to try that tip. Thanks for watching. So this is the after. I didn't do my makeup. I just did those parts where you were okay. I haven't done anything since. But I just wanted to show you guys. I can actually see a difference, and I think I like this one because personally I don't like applying makeup. I mean foundation rather. So, because normally I'm just trying to hide a bit of spots that I got from pimples. So that's just the only thing that I've been trying to. You know why? This is so funny. I'm looking over the camera because there's a mirror. But anyway, guys, do try it out. Let me know what you think, how you feel about it, what it's like for you. I would have done the rest of my makeup, but I'm actually in a hurry. I just tried to do this very quickly while I'm at it. But yeah, I actually like it. Okay, thank you, dolls. Love you. So we see each other next time.